The Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro enters the list at number 2 as a wireless marvel designed for gaming excellence. This latest iteration of the iconic DeathAdder series combines ergonomic design with pro-level precision, making it a favorite among gamers worldwide. The DeathAdder V3 Pro offers wireless freedom without compromising on performance, featuring Razer's Focus Plus optical sensor, which boasts a staggering 6000 dpi sensitivity. This mouse delivers pixel-perfect accuracy and rapid response times, ensuring that every movement is flawlessly translated in-game. Whether you're navigating intricate menus or aiming for that critical headshot, the DeathAdder V3 Pro's precision is unmatched. Customization is at your fingertips with programmable buttons, allowing you to tailor your gaming experience to your preferences. Whether it's setting macros for complex combos or assigning functions for quick access, the V3 Pro adapts to your gameplay style seamlessly. Razer's SpeedFlex cable ensures minimal drag, allowing you to glide effortlessly across your mouse pad. The ergonomic design supports extended gaming sessions, keeping you comfortable even during marathon gaming. With the V3 Pro, you're not just getting a mouse, you're investing in a gaming companion that excels in both form and function. If you crave wireless precision and unmatched performance, this Razer mouse deserves a spot on your gaming desk.